Breakfast is done. Your child is standing in the doorway looking at you, and you're looking back, thinking, okay, now what? You know school needs to start. You're just not sure how to actually begin. That's not a discipline problem. That's a shape problem. Your day doesn't have a shape yet. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what one looks like. A real anchor-based day with 3 learning blocks, from the first morning anchor all the way through the 5-minute evening setup that makes tomorrow calmer than today. A calm day is not a perfect day. It's a structured, flexible, human day. Today, I'm walking you through exactly what that looks like, moment by moment, anchor by anchor, block by block. Before any block, before any subject, before you think about what to teach, you need anchors. Anchors are the fixed points your day already rotates around. Breakfast, the midday meal, the moment school closes for the day. These aren't things you add to your life. They're already there. You're just going to use them intentionally. 3 anchors. That's all you need to give your day a shape. Anchor 1. Wake and first food. The morning always starts here. Before school, before subjects, before anything academic, breakfast. Anchor 2. The midday reset. Lunch. A glass of water. A 5-minute tidy. The natural break point your family already takes. Anchor 3. School closed. Not when everything is finished. Closed because it's time to be closed. The 3 blocks fit inside these anchors. After Anchor 1, your Cornerstone Block. Between Anchor 1 and Anchor 2, your Curiosity Block. Just before Anchor 3, your Clarity Block. I built out the full anchor schedule with fillable templates for each one inside the Daily Rhythm Builder. I'll share more about that at the end. For now, let's walk through the day. Here's what a full calm day looks like. After breakfast, the Cornerstone Block. Math and language arts, your sharpest subjects when your child's attention is freshest. After a snack and some movement, the Curiosity Block. Science, history, art, projects, the lighter, more exploratory work. Just before the midday anchor closes school, the Clarity Block. 5 to 10 minutes, the intentional ending. And then, the rest of the day belongs to life. Adjust the times, keep the shape. That's the whole system. The Cornerstone Block is first, right after breakfast, because that's your child's sharpest mental window. Language arts, math, the subjects that require the most focus, the most sustained attention. These go first, not after everything else settles, not when you have more energy to explain things. First. What goes in the Cornerstone Block? 1 to 2 subjects. Reading and math are the most common. 1 subject at a time. No switching until the block is done. 60 to 90 minutes maximum. When the block is finished, it's finished. You don't add more because there's time left. The goal isn't to cover everything. The goal is to do what matters most, done well, while the attention is there to do it. What makes the Cornerstone Block work is what it isn't. It isn't the whole morning. It isn't every subject. It's the one block where you go deep instead of wide. When the Cornerstone Block is done, and it will be done because it has an end, the rest of the day feels lighter. You already did the hard part. Everything that follows is easier to face. After the Cornerstone Block, snack, movement, a few minutes outside if you can. This isn't wasted time. This is the gear change between blocks. The brain needs it. The body needs it. You need it. Give it without guilt. Then the curiosity block begins. The curiosity block is where homeschooling starts to feel like its own thing, not a lesser version of school, something better. This is where all the subjects that don't need the deepest focused attention live. Science, history, art, geography, projects, music, life skills, nature study. 30 to 60 minutes, flexible timing, often together. Science through a nature walk, or a kitchen experiment, or a library book about something they're obsessed with right now. History through a picture book and a conversation about what it must have felt like. Art through whatever they're currently making. A project they chose themselves. This block is not a reward for finishing the cornerstone. It's a full part of the day. And it's the part that makes a child want to come back tomorrow. One thing I want to say about the curiosity block, you don't have to teach it. You can be in it with them, following along, asking your own questions, genuinely curious. Some of the best learning that happens in a homeschool happens when a parent says, "I don't know, let's find out." The curiosity block is where you stop being the teacher and start being someone who learns alongside your child. That's not less rigorous, that's more human. When the curiosity block winds down naturally, or when you reach your midday anchor, there's one more piece, and it's the one most homeschool families skip entirely, because it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. And that's exactly why it's so easy to skip, and why skipping it costs you the next morning. The clarity block ends the day on purpose. 5 to 10 minutes, never more. 3 moves. Tidy the school space. Name one thing that went well. Write tomorrow's first task. Then say the line, "School is done." Not when everything is finished. Done because it's time to be done. The clarity block does 3 things no other block can do. It gives the child a finish line, which is what makes starting tomorrow less heavy. It gives you a moment of visible proof. One thing went well today. That matters more than parents realize. And it seeds tomorrow's morning so you don't stand at a cleaned breakfast table wondering what comes next. The clarity block is why tomorrow starts. There's one more piece of the daily rhythm that most people miss. It doesn't happen during school. It happens the night before. 5 minutes, that's all it takes. And it's the difference between a morning that starts from stillness and a morning that starts from scramble. Here's what the 5-minute evening setup looks like. Clear one small surface for morning school use. One surface, not the whole house. Put tomorrow's essentials in one spot. Books, pencils, whatever the cornerstone needs. It's already out. Done. Write tomorrow's 3-block contents on one line. Cornerstone, curiosity, clarity. 1 sentence. And choose the good enough win for tomorrow. If we do this one thing, today counts as a success. Decide it tonight so you're not deciding it under pressure in the morning. 5 minutes, then stop. No over-prepping. Here's what changes when you do this consistently. Tomorrow morning, you don't stand around after breakfast wondering what comes next. The surface is clear, the books are out, the first task is written down. You already know what the good enough win is for today. The rhythm started last night. If you want to build your own version of this day with fillable templates for your specific anchors, your 3 blocks, your evening setup, and your good enough win, that's exactly what the Daily Rhythm Builder is. It's a digital guide that walks you through building a calm day step by step. The same anchors, the same 3 blocks, the same evening setup, but built around your mornings, your curriculum, your child. The link is in the description. And if you've been running on a rough day today, if this video found you on a day when the rhythm already fell apart, I also have a free resource for that. It's called the 10-Minute Rough Day Reset. It's an easy guide for stopping the spiral, reconnecting with your child, and choosing the simplest next step. That's also in the description, and it's free. Breakfast, cornerstone, break, curiosity, clarity, afternoon that belongs to life, 5 minutes the night before. That's the whole day. You don't need a perfect day. You need a day with a shape. And when you have that shape, and you come back to it again and again, the calm builds. Not because every morning goes smoothly, because you always know what comes next. Calm and consistent beats intense and unpredictable. You can cover core academics in less time than you think, if you build the right rhythm. Today, you saw what that rhythm looks like. Tomorrow, you can live inside it. Now that you can see what a rhythm-based day looks like, the next question most parents have is, how do I actually build my own version? How do I take these 3 blocks and adapt them to my specific mornings, my curriculum, and my child? That's exactly what the next video covers. It's called How to Build a Flexible Homeschool Day, and it's the step-by-step version of building what you just saw. That's on your screen right now. New video every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. I'll be in the comments. Come say hi.